shouting in a midden. No doubt that scoundrel Sharp. Now, Totes. To Sharp, the outlaw. Did you think about it? Why not have you looked at, spoken to like that? I just checking my free credit score on the portal playscore.com.
Have you always freestanding wardrobe a waste of space? Then let me help you uncover the hidden space in your bedroom. Sharp fitted wardrobe stretch from wall design visit. Outside, inside, sheltered from nature. An Eden glass veranda is made to measure, precision engineered, and so versatile.